Hey guys, so today we're doing a video on planting some strawberries, but before we get to that, I wanted to talk about a couple of things that we ordered in the mail and we just received. This here is a Vegtrug Poppy Go 2-tier planter that we ordered from Garner Supply. The reason we got this was it's got these removable canvas bags that we can always just unvelcro, and we can take those and just pull them out and take them along with us. The whole system here just breaks down into a single unit that we can just lean up against, a trailer or in the back of the truck or whatever we got to do when we move. But it's a nice little system, very well drained. It's again, it's like the grow bags and it drains very well. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some strawberries in here with some flowers as well. Another thing that we ordered too was we ordered a new spade from Garner Supply. We've used all kinds of tools in the garden. We broke some, lost some, whatever the case was. We actually took about a couple weeks before we actually even reviewed this right here, but all in all, it's a great spade. Hasn't broken. We've left it outside, no rust, nothing crazy. It's probably one of the best spades that we've used so far and that we've gotten. But we like to get a couple of different tools and stuff like that to use in the yard. This is just one of the many that we have, but so far it's been a great piece of equipment that we've used out here in the garden when we're planting and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get to planting here. The one thing we're going to plant here is we got some Eversweet everbearing strawberries. We've got a total of 6 strawberries, so we got the Eversweet, and then we have some Ozark strawberries that we're going to plant. So the Eversweet we're going to do here in the top row, and then I'll show you the bottom row later. We're going to do the Ozark strawberries down there. Another thing we're going to add to this container, what we usually always do is add some flowers and stuff like that. So we're going to add some of these right here. These are Superbells Cherrystar from Proven Winners. I think they're going to look nice with the strawberries as well. And then we have some Supertunia Vista Bubblegum that we're also going to put in here. Now the reason I chose these right here, these are probably one of the most hardiest bells and Supertunias that we can put with the strawberries. And what we're going to use is we're going to use Hollytone because strawberries are very acidic loving fruit. So with the Hollytone that we put in here, I think these two are going to do well, excepting not having any kind of issues with the fertilizer and with the much amount of water we're going to put in here. We've used this one before. It's very good in drought tolerant areas, and it's also very good with a lot of moisture as well. So I think they're going to do very well. Again, with our soil here, we always use some organic potting soil. And the one thing we're going to put in here is, as we always do, is some Biotone Starter Plus. To get these transplants in there nice and get going pretty good. Trying to avoid that transplant shock. So all we're going to do is we're going to add about a cup. And then we'll work this in here pretty good. Next thing we're going to add is we're going to add some Hollytone. Like I said, strawberries are very acid loving plants. Hollytone is going to provide that acidic fertilizer for them. Only going to use one of these 5-ounce bags in here. That'll be plenty until about another week and a half or 2, where we can add some more fertilizer and get them fed a little bit more. Then the next thing we're going to add is we're going to add these Cherrystar Superbells in here as well. Like I said, we want to have that color. We love all the colors. We love all the different types of flowers and stuff going on in the garden here. Then we're going to add another strawberry right here, right in the dead center. As you can see, a lot of these strawberries are already producing. That one looks pretty good right there. And right here, we're going to add this Supertunia Vista Bubblegum right next to that strawberry. And then we'll add another strawberry right here at the end. So we have a total of 3 strawberries here in the top layer, along with these 2 flowers here. Then we're going to add the last strawberry right here on this side. Now, these strawberries, like I said, we've had for a while. We got a lot of runners going on with those. Not enough time to do a demo, but with the runners here, the easy way to propagate those is you can get a bag with soil and just kind of put that in a bag with soil and cover up that bag. Make sure it's well moistured, and then you just leave it there. Give it about a couple of weeks for it to start showing some roots, and you can actually uncover that and see that it has roots, and then you can snip it off to the closest part of the plant, and you can replant that in another pot or right back in the same container that you're doing it. Easy way to propagate strawberries. If you put them on the ground, these things are automatically going to look for the soil and propagate themselves. Alright, now we ourselves are not actually going to propagate these. We have plenty of strawberries going, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these runners and go to the closest part of the plant that I can. We're just going to take those off. Alright, now we'll get started with the second layer. Alright guys, for the second tier here, we do the same thing. Add about a cup of biotone starter fertilizer. Mix that in real nice. Then get our holly tone again. Alright guys, so now we got all our strawberries and flowers in. I know it may not be ideal to have these flowers included with strawberries and stuff like that, and some of you might be thinking, you know, it's probably not the way to do it, probably not the right way to put strawberries in with flowers. We've dealt with these flowers before. We know that they're pretty aggressive. We know they're going to be overgrown. These things just in containers can overtake a whole container, but as well as we've been doing with these flowers, we know how to maintain them, we know how to prune them back, keep them nice and neat in the containers, and we're going to try to not let these overtake any of the strawberries. The strawberries have been doing nice. We have some already in some other another planter, and they're doing absolutely well, and we're pinching those back and making sure they produce enough strawberries as well. So just one thing is just keeping an eye on it, making sure that it's well maintained, making sure that none of these flowers here overtake. But the main purpose, like I said, is for the flowers is to pollinate all this stuff that we have going on. We have so much stuff going on in this garden over here. We can't wait to show it all to you guys. We just have some pretty big ideas for such a small amount of space, and we absolutely love it right now. We're absolutely enjoying everything that we're doing. Again, beauty with the purpose is what we've been going with and what we're absolutely striving for. And I think with this is going to bring some of that beauty with the purpose of providing some pollinators for these strawberries. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like what you see here. If you do, please comment below. If you haven't given this video a like, please give us a like because it helps spread our videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.